ಸೆಂಟರ್
ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ 2021 ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ?
ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಒಂದು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾವು ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಥ್ರೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಏನಿದು?
ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರು ಬುರ್ಡೆ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಯುಸೇಷನ್. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು
ನೀವೇನು ಕೇವೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಅಪಿಯರ್?
ಅದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದು ಮೇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ? ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂತಾ? ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
this caveat business should stop. There is no caveat in 482. It doesn't mean that you can appear and it's only for the state because state copy servagirutte. You can't appear. You can't appear and how are you arguing about it? Yes.
offenses under 196 clause 1 352
Correct. 353 and 505 ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, it is a conversation between me and my known person. He is known to me since from his childhood I know him. He has participated in one Yakshagana program that is telecasted in Nammakudla TV channel. Moreover, my lord,
ಇದು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಹೌದು, SIT ಆದಾಗಿಂದ they are using this concept in all their Yakshagana programs as a comedy. My lord, comedian comes with the mask and ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಕಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದು and taunting this petitioner. This is going on for one and a half year, my lord. And this conversation is concerned, I just spoke to him saying ಅದೇನು ಬುರುಡೆ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೊಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ SP
conversation. This is how the entire messages have been spread also. And
ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಾನ್ವೆಂಟ್. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯದವರ ಹತ್ರ.
and there is one
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಮೊಬೈಲ್.
yes sir, one more matter not there right coordinate
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ
that has been circulated.
That has been circulated by them. ನಾನು
circulated.
That is what they're investigating, my lord. But there's this
You investigate who has circulated this. You will bring that person to books. You will cooperate with the investigation. No prescriptive action will be taken.
Coordinate mentioned another matter. Anticipatory bail has been granted. Directed him to appear before the investigation.
He will appear.
He is not appeared in before the investigation.
ನೀವು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್? ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
ಅದು ಸ್ಟಡಿ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪಿಯರ್
So
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
the externment order, my lord, is not available for execution of externment
All right. Now if there is an externment order, how can you appear?
Yes, the externment order also we could not execute it.
Forget it, sir. Externment order idre how can you appear?
He has to follow the externment order. He has challenged
If
this court.
externment order stay ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to go.
He went all the way to he challenged in writ appeal. This court in writ appeal dismissed it.
Then externment order will appear
before
Supreme Court.
ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ one more thing, my lord, I have filed petition for modification of anticipatory bail order as well.
Anticipatory bail ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲವಾಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲವಾಗಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಲಾವಕಾಶ ಬೇಕು.
ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಲಾವಕಾಶ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಮುಂದೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, since it is pending before the
No, externment order ಬಗ್ಗೆ don't worry. Appear before the IO. I will direct no prescriptive action will be taken. You cooperate with the investigation. Let us know who has circulated it. The petitioner is before the court calling in question registration of a crime for offence punishable under section 5052 and 153A of the IPC, presently 196 and 352 of the BNS. The petitioner, the learned counsel of the petitioner submits that the petitioner has been granted anticipatory bail but cannot comply with the said direction of appearance before the investigating officer as an order of externment is hanging on the sword of externment is hanging on the head of the petitioner. Be that as it may, the petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer and cooperate with the investigation as who has circulated the private conversation between the petitioner and his friend is to be deciphered. The petitioner shall appear, but no coercive step shall be taken against him in the garb of investigation.
116 connected.
116 same order as 108. 108 1 tag ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.